Welcome to Behind the Headlines. Japan is the world's fourth largest power market and the largest LNG importer. Behind the Headlines is hosted by Japan energy market expert Peter Weigand, Skipping Stone Chairman and CEO.
Konnichiwa. Welcome to the November issue. Coming up in December, we also have a full webinar about the Japan energy markets. So if you're not on our invite list or want to make sure you get on it, either send me a LinkedIn or an email or let us know here at Skipping Stone. We'll make sure that happens. Anyway, on to the headlines. While I applaud the announcement, I'm not sure how they're going to get to zero by 2050. They're struggling to even make the Paris Accord agreement they signed a few years ago. Another big announcement. According to our calculation, unless they triple the volume of storage each year between now and 2030, and offshore wind comes in per forecast or even better, we don't see how they can do this and keep the lights on. So the current feed-in tariff is 36 yen. Their first auction, they will put a 29 yen cap on for the very first offshore project in Japan. Needless to say, the developers are like, huh? So according to the report we read, out of the 524 bankruptcies in the last decade, that's over 1.1 billion US dollars lost. So they finally came out with a formula. Now we need to know the numbers. So the first capacity auction came in just 1 small yen below the cap. The outcry continues to rage. Not just the retailers that have filed, formal complaints. Ministry of Environment and various diet members are not happy either. So this one's good news. In the ongoing effort to disclose more and more information, METI has finally made it formal that generators have to publish this information. They're going to have JEPEX publish it on the JEPEX site, which means if you want it, you need to be a JEPEX member. So Tohoku, the electric utility, is buying Sendai Gas, a gas utility, in a kind of roundabout way. First time in Japan this has happened. So we expect to see a lot more electric utilities buying up gas utilities. So LNG's down for a few months in a row. Crude prices are up for a couple months in a row. Does this mean the crude cocktail is out of date as a formula? Theoretically, hydrogen can help Japan get to 100% neutral per the new prime minister. But theoretically, I could be voted president of the United States. Thanks for listening and watching. Stay tuned for next month's full webinar on the Japan market. And for now, sayonara.
10 headlines in 3 minutes, not enough information? Ask us about our full monthly report. You can also schedule a complimentary video call with Peter. Contact Nancy Young, nyoung@skippingstone.com. Visit our website to learn more about our Japan market services.